Hey everybody, today we're in a GMC Sierra with an AT4 trim. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 855882. Now before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see it as the blue covering here and under here. You want to peel that covering off before you attach the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second thing is, make sure you attach the mount to the vehicle before you screw anything to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to attach in two different places. The first, this piece of plastic right here next to the vent. There's a seam behind it where it meets the inside vent flashing. That is the first seam we're going to go into. And then the bottom of the mount is going to wrap around this lip here. So you're going to take your mount and this shorter L-shaped lip here. You just need to insert and then slightly pull forward until the lip goes into that seam. Then you're going to take your fingers underneath the mount and you want to pull the mount forwards just so that it flexes just enough to get this lip over the bottom edge here. And once it's in place, you'll have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.